Welcome to St. Andrew, the wild and majestic heart of Barbados. Known for its rolling hills and untouched beauty, this is where the island reveals a more authentic side, raw, natural, and deeply rooted in tradition. I'm Muffin Stallmeyer, and this is My Barbados by Sotheby's International Realty. In St. Andrew, life moves at a gentler pace. In Chalky Mount, generations of potters still shape their craft from the same rich clay that defines the parish's landscape, a living link between art and earth. Here, history and nature blend seamlessly, from the Morgan Lewis sugar mill, the last of its kind in Barbados, to the rugged trails of the Turner's Hall Woods and the sweeping views from Cherry Tree Hill that never fail to inspire. Beyond its beauty, St. Andrew is a parish full of promise. With generous land parcels, cool breezes, and a growing interest in sustainable living, it's attracting those who dream of hillside villas, private country estates, and eco-friendly retreats that celebrate space and serenity. And while it feels wonderfully removed from it all, St. Andrew connects easily to St. Peter, St. Joseph, and beyond, balancing country calm with coastal convenience. For those drawn to authenticity, tranquility, and timeless charm, St. Andrew truly stands apart.